Hey, what's up, trader? This is Kat here from the DesireToTRADE. Today, I want to talk about a topic that I don't really like to talk about because people often react to it. People don't like to hear about that, but that's what I'm going to do it anyway. That's the goal here. The goal here is to help. So, I truly believe that one of the worst thing you can come in trading with are expectation. Whenever you have high expectation of trading result, of being successful in trading, and you come to trading with that, like, this is the baddest thing ever. This is really, really tough. And I want to tell you about a story that happened recently. I got a phone call with a guy for coaching, and then I started asking like the guy what he wanted to do as return for the next year. And so, like, he just asked me straight away like what I was hoping to give him basically in return, what I was hoping to get to him, what the result I could expect. And so I told him that, like, whenever I work with people, like, the first goal, this is the first thing that we set in the beginning, is to get like 5% per month. And that's like a huge goal, because, like, if you're gonna get 5% per month, like, you're getting more return than any, like, index would give you in a year probably. So that's basically the first goal, the first thing we look for. And the response of the guy was pretty interesting. He said, "Well, that's not enough for me. I need more than that." And so I said, "What do you need more than that?" He said, "Well, if I want to live from trading, like, I need to get more than that. I cannot get only 5% per month. That's not enough. Otherwise, you need like a lot of money." And that's the problem, right? People try to have big return from the start. And don't forget that this was his first year in trading, like, first time ever. He didn't make money at all before. So this is like the first time, and he expects to get more than 5% per month. I think I'm just thinking about this, but the thing I really love that one of my friend Usman Trunk said is, you cannot come in trading with expectation at first. If you're coming with expectation at first, like, you don't even have the right to have expectation at first. You start trading, you have no expectation, nothing, and then you get to trade, then you see how you do, and then over time you can start to start to maybe plan goals, but even that's not the ideal. But then you can start to expect a little bit more whenever you get experience. So, like, let's say you start, you make 1% the first year. Okay, we don't care. You don't have the right to have expectation. That's the thing you make that year. That's fine. Nobody cares. Then you go with that over time. Awesome. It's better that way. So then you just keep going, right? And then the second year, maybe you can expect 2%. Now that's fine because you had the first experience. But you cannot come into trading and expecting that the first year you're going to be able to make a living from it. And that's totally fine. Like, all the traders on the podcast, they all know that. You are not able to make a living off trading the first year unless you have like a huge amount of money and you're ready to get like a really small return. But I really think expectations are huge. People like to come here with big expectation in trading, and I did the exactly the same thing. I came to trading with like huge expectation. I would like trade off of living the first year, and it didn't happen. But really think about what you expect right now, because the truth is, whatever expectation you have at the moment, they are going to stress you out. If you have big expectation, if you expect to double your account in the next month, you're going to be stressed out, right? You're going to have trouble trading. You're going to take more setups that are bad. You're going to skip setup because you think they're not good. You're afraid to lose. So all that stuff is going to impact your trading. So anyway, I really think expectations are like huge. I think the reason why a lot of people fail in the beginning, because they have high expectation, they don't meet those expectations, and then they get disappointed, they get angry about trading, they don't like trading. And so I really think you have to think about this, right? Really think about what your expectations are, try to note them down, and ask yourself whether those expectations are real or like too ambitious. Is it really doable? And I don't want to like put yourself down. I don't want to like discourage you. That's not the goal of the video. But the goal is to make you think about whether your expectations are helping you or bringing you down, right? If you have high expectations, you don't need them. Like, you're getting down. But if you have normal expectation, then that's fine. Like, if you wanna make a living off trading, that's your expectation. That's fine. But don't expect that you're gonna make it from the first year. Maybe go with a little bit more time, right? Give yourself some time to not be stressed out all the time, to not have to trade all the time, to not have to like take every setup you see, basically. And so that's the goal. So I hope this video was valuable. I really want to give you some advice, or you want to make you realize that you need to do something if you want to trade successfully. You need to kind of put your expectation down a little bit. Try to not have them in the beginning. That's the goal of the video. So if you like the video, subscribe on YouTube. I'd love if you can leave a comment below, let me know what you think. I'm gonna keep putting more videos out there. That's my goal for the next couple of days. And I really hope this is helping you out. So let me know. Join the Facebook group at DesireToTRADE.com/group. It's totally free. You can join this out. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.